Previously on Maddie's Glam Life, I shared with y'all a secret oil to getting beautiful skin. This is one of the best kept beauty secrets, and if you all have not watched this video, make sure that you check it out. And also make sure that you watch this video until the end to see my before and after results of my weight transformation. Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to the channel. If you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys a part of the Glam fam. We're on the road to 30K, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also turn on those post notifications. That way you can be updated each and every single time that I post a new video here. So recently I posted a video of my body transformation journey. As you guys know, it's been a long time coming for you, girl, and I could not leave you all hanging. I knew I had to get this video out to you guys, and this video is going to be on supplements that will help you out on this weight gaining journey. You all, it is not easy to pick up weight for a lot of us, especially if you have a fast metabolism, and I know that a lot of people may be against gaining weight and some people are all for it. But one thing that I will say, and I'm going to say this once, everyone's body is different. Some people want to pick up weight because they feel as though they look a little bit unhealthy, like on the skinny side, and a lot of people want to pick up weight because they simply want to pick up weight. Either way, it is simply your choice, the same way that a lot of people want to lose weight, okay? So this is a no judgment zone. Don't do that here, okay? But I do want everyone to feel encouraged and know that you are beautiful just the way that you are. Anywho, even though weight loss is a common goal, some people actually want to gain weight, and I'm here to cater to both. Now, some common reasons include improving daily functions, also looking a little bit more athletic. You might be wanting to pick up muscle weight. Now, I'd recommend for anyone looking to gain weight is make sure that you're looking more towards picking up muscle weight. The reason being is because it's more so on the healthy side, and it's just going to be a lot better to maintain over time versus actual fat. And the great part about picking up muscle weight and working out is that you will be a lot more fit, and you will also be taking great care of your body as opposed to just picking up actual fat, okay? That eventually, once it starts piling on, you'll probably want it off, okay? Because the difference with fat is you can't just stop fat where you want it to stop. Once you slow down that metabolism, it's going to simply keep coming, okay? So make sure that you're looking more towards picking up muscle weight than actual fat, okay? So since I am technically talking about muscle weight, the first thing that I want to start with is protein. Now, this is going to be a lifesaver for you on your journey of picking up some extra muscle weight. This right here is gold standard whey protein, and this is in the vanilla ice cream flavor. This smells absolutely delicious, and it adds a great taste to things like shakes and smoothies. You can also apply this directly in water. Whatever floats your boat, honey. Just know that it is truly amazing. Now, as most of us know, protein is an important muscle component. Several studies have shown more muscle gain in adults who take whey protein and exercise. However, the most important thing is your daily intake of protein. About 10 to 35% of your daily intake of calories should come from protein. Next up on the list, we have creatine. Now, this is another one of my favorites, and I have this in the smaller bottle because I do not frequent taking this as much as my whey protein, but this is also something that is beneficial on that weight gaining process. Creatine is one of the most researched supplements, and one of the few sports supplements with very strong research to confirm that it works for everything that it is said to work for. This molecule is found naturally in your body and also in some foods. When taken as a supplement, the creatine content in your body can increase above average levels. Creatine has several important functions in your body, including rapid energy production. When taking creatine, I'm going to recommend starting off with about 20 grams per day, split into 4 servings for 5 to 7 days. After this initial period, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day will be great to keep you on your track of taking creatine. And also, taking any type of weight gaining shakes or smoothies will also be great on this journey. Let me share with you guys one of my absolute favorite shakes for picking up some extra weight really quickly. And you all, guess what? It contains Maca Root, which is one of the greatest supplements on the market for picking up some extra bomb weight, okay? Continue watching, you guys. So for this mixture, you are of course going to need some organic maca powder, and I'll have the particular one that I'm using listed down below. It is by Navitas Organics. I will also be using some almond milk. I will be using 1 banana. And last but not least, some frozen strawberry bananas, which I have upside down because the bag was open upside down, okay? So today I will be using my fave, which is my Ninja blender. I will have it listed down below for you all. I love this blender and it is also super easy to clean. And of course, next up I will just be adding in all of my ingredients. So now I am putting my top on my Ninja blender and I'm going to blend that up, and then I'm going to come back in and apply in my Maca Root. Now I will only be using 1 tablespoon of Maca Root. So now I am adding in my 1 tablespoon of Maca Root powder. And you guys, this is all that you would need on the daily basis. I'm not sure why my camera didn't want to focus on it, but anyways, let's go ahead and put this in our Ninja.
I hate to feel ignored.
As you all can see, this is my before and after of all the amazing things that I've tried. And check out my channel for more videos like this, and for more beauty tips and tricks, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. So yes, you all, that is all the information that I had to share with you guys on today. I hope that you all found this video helpful. If you did, please don't hesitate to hit that thumbs up button in order to push my videos out further into the algorithm. I want to thank you guys so much for the love and support. It is greatly appreciated, and I am thankful for each and every single last one of you guys. We are on the way to 30K, so make sure that you are sharing this video amongst all of your friends and family, especially if they're looking for this information, and I will see you guys later. Always remember to keep glamming.